here at the college. We're really focused on student success and completion and making sure they make it through their programs. So a lot of our students are part-time students, full-time workers, so they need to access the materials on their time. We're trying to leverage that technology and make a difference.
I had one student who had been out of work and it had been really hard. She's supporting a family. She got a job, but it was at the same time we had the class. And I said, I understand all your concerns. We'll have an agreement. You use it, whether it's the recording or live time.
Here, some of them have an hour drive each way to the college, so they're listening to the lectures as they drive. I've had some that have told me that they really like being able to go back and find certain parts of the lecture and listen to them again. And especially since the PowerPoints are tied into the lectures, they can go right to where they need to.
It's helped with retention, a large degree. It's helped students.
I notice our nursing classes, those students are really determined to go back and review the lectures over and over again to grasp concepts because they have so much material being given to them daily.
We do a lot of medical terminology, so as we're going through the lecture, we're learning terms with every lecture that we've never even heard before a lot of times. And Echo360 is a benefit because we can go back and listen to those terms again.
I have been incorporating some of the questions throughout the lecture, and that's fun. They really, when I think that they're not paying attention anymore, that really kind of lures them back in or brings them back in because then they start to interact.
I think the real strength of it is the diversity of ways that you can use it. So I can record a live lecture in a face-to-face class, or even just record in my office, which I think is a real advantage of Echo360. It's that it creates these resources that can then be shared with other faculty.
There's no downside to it at all.
Now that I've been using Echo360, it is part of my routine. As soon as I go into the classroom, I put my microphone on and I'm ready to go. I can't imagine not having it now.